Hello and good morning. It is time for another Lean Cuisine. I'm just gonna blind pick. I don't want that one. I think I'm gonna move for the shrimp Alfredo actually. All right. So we got the shrimp Alfredo today. Let's cook her up and see how she tastes. Yeah, I think she's fully cooked. We're gonna grab some pepper, and then we're gonna grab some garlic powder. And what else? I should have, yes, some Italian seasoning. All right, let's give this guy a try. It's kind of watery, interesting, probably from the ice. It tastes like someone who's never eaten Alfredo before made this. Obviously it's healthy, so you don't get the richness of the sauce. Pasta tastes like pasta. The broccoli is good. It cooked out where it's crunchy, but also a little, like it's cooked, but and it still has that crunch to it. The shrimp is good. I'm gonna add some pepper. I'm gonna add a little garlic powder. And then a little Italian seasoning and see if that beefs it up. That definitely helps with the flavor. It's still, yesterday when I added seasoning to the Lean Cuisine for the, what was it, Salisbury steak with mac and cheese, it helped a lot. Maybe because Alfredo is so rich, and you want, when you want Alfredo, you want that buttery, creamy dish. That this is just pretty lackluster no matter what you're gonna add to it. But I mean, it's good enough. It's good enough. Would I get it again? Yeah. Would I recommend you getting? Not necessarily. I would probably rate this 4 out of 10. If you're on a health journey and this is absolutely the only way you can eat an Alfredo or a pasta dish, then yeah, I would say get it. Again, keep the expectations on the floor. Honestly, I think the broccoli is the best part of this dish. The sauce is pretty lackluster. The noodles are a good texture. The broccoli is, like I said, crunchy and cooked, but I love broccoli, so. And then the shrimp was good. I mean, it was just shrimp, and you can't go wrong with that.